the uncomfortable reality is sometimes you need to break the status quo. Sometimes you need to go, or need to be uncompromising and get to that point where you completely change who you believe you are and your ideas of the world. This does not mean that you become unethical, but you certainly have to do things very differently. So, for example, some people I've seen on social media like Reddit and places like this that people ask how to be more likable. Well, this may work under certain settings, but depending on your goal, that shouldn't really be a sort of focus point. Yes, it's very useful because we know that it's not always people's skills and their talents, is actually the person. You could be an absolute idiot and become the top of the top if you really use the right strategy. But the point is that it's best to really just focus on what you actually want to do. The best strategy for you is often completely different to what people are telling you.